Hey dolls, it's Anastasia Lulu. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be recreating Dua Lipa's Grammy performance Glam. I am totally obsessed with Dua Lipa. For those of you who don't know, her parents are from Kosovo, Albania, and she is British and Albanian. My dad is also from Albania, so of course I had to do this little tutorial for you guys. Albanians unite, and I had to recreate this glam. Before we get into this tutorial, I thought I would grab a crystal and say an affirmation for you all. So today I'm grabbing my clear quartz crystal, and because Dua is just giving me all kinds of like confidence, like believe in yourself, think you're hot shit vibes, which I love, I thought I'd do a very kind of self-confident affirmation. I look in the mirror and see all my unique and beautiful features I have. There are 7.6 billion people on the planet, but nobody is me. My eyes are beautiful, my hair is beautiful, my body is beautiful, the way I speak is beautiful, my personality is beautiful, everything about me is beautiful inside out. So let's put the crystals away, but maintain this kind of confident personality as we get into this recreation tutorial. So my base is already applied, as are my eyebrows. Let's get started on the eyes. I have applied a bit of concealer over my eyelids, and I'm just gonna set that with the Charlotte Tilbury powder. Just a really light amount over the eyelids. Helps prep the eyes for any kind of shadow. If you guys have watched my other videos, you know I do this every single time. So today I will be grabbing the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I am going to reach for the shade Doll Face, that really bright pink, okay? And I am going to just go straight in and apply this all over my eye and crease. So I am grabbing my trusty MAC 217 brush. It's just like a fluffy kind of eyeshadow brush, and I am packing this pigment onto the brush. I'm like so nervous. I have never worn any kind of color like this. Not this bright anyway. I'm gonna use my Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate for the mirror. Is that too ugly? No. And I am just pressing, look how bright that is. I am just pressing the powder into my eye. Oh my God. I am so like boring when it comes to my eyeshadow. I like never opt for a pop of color on my eyes. But if anyone can change my mind, it is Dua. So a fun fact about Dua Lipa, because obviously, as I've said, we are both Albanian. Dua, the name, actually means love in Albanian. So if you were to say like, I love you in Albanian, you'd say Te Dua, which is really pretty and really cute. I think there's like so many cool Albanians in the music industry right now that I am just loving. There's Dua Lipa, there's Bibi Rexha, there's Rita Ora. There's just so many cool Albanians popping up, and I'm here for it. All right, so I'm packing that onto the lid. We are gonna do this a few times. The intensity is so important to get right. Her eye was so bright, so intense, and just so amazing that I am gonna have to go in and go in and go in with this color. I remember doing, like a couple years ago, maybe it was like a year ago, there was like this app that was really popular that told you what celebrity you look like. I can't remember what it was called, but I did it. I mean, half the time those things are so stupid, but I did it. And the first time I got Dua Lipa, and then I did another photo and I got Rita Ora. So the kind of joke that all Albanians like look related, I think is quite true. So I'm hoping that this recreation video will be relatively easy for me if we kind of look similar, if you squint. I definitely don't have her abs, and that really bums me out, actually. Homegirl is not eating her Jisha's pita, she's not eating baklava, like those abs were no joke. So I'm actually gonna grab a flat brush. This doesn't have a name, but it's just a flat brush, and I'm going to pack that color on like really near my lash line. I'm having a hard time getting it like all the way down at the bottom of my eyelid. Pressing that in. Oh my God, I'm kind of loving this look already. Let's reference the picture again. So far, you know, this bone structure, what happened here? I missed out on this Albanian gene. I've just got a big fat head. Bone structure is not there, but anyway. So she's really gone high, close to the brow bone, which kind of scares me. I never bring my eyeshadow up that high. But we're gonna do it for Dua. You're gonna do it. Going a bit lighter when we go closer to the brow, mostly because I'm a chicken, but also because I think that's how she does it. We're just blending with that fluffy brush again. And we're not bringing it out too much to the sides. Normally, like, I kind of bring my shadow out, but I'm really concentrating it just on the eye. Okay, and once we are happy with the intensity of this shadow, I am going to match it on the other side. So I always think the key to playing with color on your eyes is having a really kind of flawless, low-key base. I've said that before, like in my smoky eye tutorial. It's like the similar thing when you're playing with color on your eyes. I think the way to kind of balance it is to make your base more like low-key, and you know, you don't want to go crazy on like the contour or, you know, really heavy base if you've got color that you're playing with, because you really want that to be the focal point. And if you do the eyes and the base and then a lip, which you totally can, and that is a vibe and that is a look in itself, but to make a pop of color more wearable, tone down the rest of the face, and then that becomes the focal point. All right, and I'm gonna take the flat brush again and pat that product on. Okay, once the intensity is on as you like it, I am gonna go in with a bit of shimmer. So I am going to reach for my KKW pink, I don't even know what this is. It's like a loose shimmer, looks like that. And I am going to apply this, focusing on like the inner corner of my eye, which is how Dua wears it. I'm grabbing that same flat brush and I'm spritzing it with some Prep Set Glow Spray. Whenever you use like shimmers and glitters, it's always good to just wet down your brush with like a setting spray. It really helps pick up the shimmer or glitter, whatever you're using, and really helps make it stick. So I am gonna apply like a generous amount onto my brush, getting pink all over me. I'm just applying this as like a shimmer. I need kind of more of like a glitter, but I don't think I have one. Let's see, maybe if I do my finger. I'm into that. I think it's slightly about layering this like fine shimmer, just so that we have a really pop of kind of like glitter shimmer in the corner. Then I'm just using like the tiniest bit of Iconic London's Chrome Flash in Spellbound. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I can definitely see like bright colored eyes being so in for summer 2020, because we've just been cooped in for so long. Like, we are ready to come out, to go out and be wearing like just crazy amazing looks. So I can totally see like bright eyes being so in. I'm just taking that Chrome Flash in Spellbound again. Please ignore the state of my nails. They're tragic. I've given up now. I've just given up. I'm just cleaning up under the eyes, any fallout. I'm just wiping away with my foundation brush. Okay, and Dua Lipa is also wearing a tiny bit of eyeliner on her kind of top lash line. So I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel 24-hour Wear Kajal liner and just literally press that into my lash line. I'm gonna take a flat like eyeliner brush and pat that in. I've only taken the eyeliner in about like 3/4 of the way and left like the inner corner without eyeliner. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, and I'm going to go back in with Doll Face and very lightly drag it underneath my eyes. Her under eye color is super subtle. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. And next I'm gonna go in with loads of mascara. I'm gonna go in with the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect from Maybelline. It seriously looks like Dua Lipa is not even wearing any like strip lashes or fake lashes. I'm sure she's wearing some like individuals. But I think I'm just gonna rock my natural lashes for this. And then I'm gonna go in right after that with my telescopic mascara. I love mixing mascaras together. My natural lashes have literally grown so long from using Revitalash. I feel like I don't even need a false lash for this look. And yeah, I'm just loving rocking my natural lashes. I'm gonna go in and do some mascara on the bottom lashes. Okay guys, now that my eyes are done and Dua Lipa-fied, I'm gonna go in with a lot of blush because she's definitely rocking a blushy look. I am gonna go in with my Morphe palette, tragically missing a shade. I'm gonna go in with the shade Goals and maybe mix in with some of these neutral shades too. I'm gonna take my blush quite high because it kind of helps lift the face when you apply your blush high. You want that lifted effect. So I'm actually gonna go in and also apply a tiny bit of the shade Doll Face from my eyeshadow palette as blush because I think when you use the same tones, it gives like a really nice monochromatic look to your makeup. You guys are probably watching like, what the hell, but just trust me. And I'm just blending that in. And bringing it down to the apples of my cheeks. And I'm gonna go in over that with my Hourglass Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush. It's kind of like a blush and a highlighter in one. And it's just really pretty. Because Dua's skin was so glowy and so pretty. Okay, and now look at that. Like, it just instantly lifts this side of the face, doesn't it? I'm gonna go in and apply on the other side. And of course, over the bridge of my nose. So I'm gonna go back and reference my Dua Lipa pic and see what lip she wore. Very nude, very glossy, pinky vibe. So I'm just gonna slightly overline my lips with Boldly Bare. And then I'm gonna go in with my MAC lipstick in Yash. This combo is actually my wedding lip color. Boldly Bare and Yash lipstick. And I'm gonna go on top of that with a bit of a gloss. And I'm reaching for Iconic London's Nearly Nude. I love this lip gloss. This is like the perfect kind of beigey nude. Okay dolls, there you have it. There is my finished Dua Lipa Glam. I totally loved how this look turned out. I can definitely see like bold, bright colors on the eyes for summer 2021. And I just had so much fun filming this. If you guys enjoy my recreation videos, please let me know in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye!